What's up everyone? In today's video, I am going to share with you 5 ways you can make money with YouTube, even if you are a small channel. Hi everyone, my name is Saloua. I am a full-time digital nomad, a content creator, and a business coach. And in today's video, I'm going to share ways that I have been using in order to monetize my YouTube channel. Now, you must know my YouTube channel is very small. I think I'm a little over 3,000 subscribers, but that doesn't stop me to make an income using YouTube. And I'm going to share these with you right now. The first way to make money on YouTube is via AdSense. So how to get monetized on YouTube? You will need 4,000 hour watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Once you hit that, you should get an automated messages from YouTube to let you know that you are eligible to apply for the YouTube paid program. Then you will apply, and once you get the response, it should say something like, congratulations, you are now part of the YPP, the YouTube paid program, and you can start monetizing your channel. How you do that is via AdSense. So you will have different ads that will be popping up on your YouTube channel. You can choose the type of ads you want to have on your channel. So the more views you get, the more money you can make. That's why it is very important that you do your research with YouTube. Research what people are looking for on YouTube so YouTube can suggest your videos to other viewers, and the more they see your videos, the more they will want to watch more of your videos. So you gotta be really consistent with your content, share valuable content, and you will slowly grow, and as you grow you can make more money. But AdSense is not the only way to make money with YouTube. So the next way to make money with YouTube is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is you sharing links to products and services you are using, and I highly recommend you do this with products and services you love and you know and trust. And by sharing this link in your description of your video, you are actually sending people to your specific affiliate link, which allows you to make a percentage, or sometimes you can get free stuff. So for example, one of the links that I share a lot in my videos is Trusted House Sitters. I have my own affiliate link where I get a percentage every time people purchase a yearly membership. There are a lot of ways to share affiliate links as well. I also have an Amazon shop, and this is a place where I put all my products, my favorite products, such as equipment that I use to film my videos, travel gears, books, anything that I use in my business. And most of these products I actually have purchased. I can share my affiliate links, and every time people buy the product using my link, I also get a percentage via the Amazon program. But there's a lot of other platforms who offer an affiliate link. I can think of Creative Market, Sam Carts, Safety Wing, which is the health insurance I use for my travel. So same for you. Make sure that if you decide to do affiliate link, use product that you highly recommend, because you do not want to disappoint your viewers by sending them to products or services that are not great. The next way to make money with YouTube is brand deals. So I've talked about this in my other video about passive income that you can find right here. And brand deals is great because you don't have to be big to have brand deals. Actually, they are looking for more and more nano and micro influencers, everyday people who are using products and services. And so the way it works is 2 ways. You can either sign up for an agency. There's plenty of online agencies that can refer you to other products, and then they match you with brands who are looking for influencers. Or the way I do it is I actually send an email myself with a media kit, and in my media kit I include all my data. My top performing platforms are YouTube and Instagram, and I would send all the screenshots with the data, the views, the clicks, so the brand can see that I'm legit and that I'm sharing valuable content on a consistent basis, and also that my brand is matching their brands. That's what's most important for them. If you want me to make a video about how to design and create your media kit, please let me know in the comment down below. The next way to make money on YouTube is via memberships. So you have different types of memberships. You have Patreon, which I also have, and I will leave my link down below. With the memberships, you have your members who are paying you a fee every month in exchange of exclusive content content specific to them. You also have a YouTube membership, but I think for that you need to have a certain amount of subscribers. And then you can create your own memberships with a different membership provider. I have done this with Member Vault, and I have also done this with simply using SendCart on a recurring subscription. So every month I was charging, I think $39 or $49, and then people would pay me on a recurring basis, and I would offer free courses, webinars every month, Q&A, and other valuable content for the people who are interested in becoming a digital nomad or learning how to make money online. And my last way to make money with YouTube is with your own merch. So you have platforms like Printful or Merch by Amazon, where they really do everything for you. All you need is to create a design for your products. So that can be anything from t-shirts, cups, mugs, hats, you name it. You put the brand on the clothing line or accessories, and then companies like Merch by Amazon will print, ship, deliver, take care of the returns. They'll do everything for you. I think this is a great way to make extra money because you don't have to have a whole inventory in your house with thousands of hats and shirts and waiting for you to ship them. Plus, Amazon is a huge marketplace, as you know, so people will be most likely buying it directly from there. You can also do ads and promote this on your website and social media and more. But YouTube is also a great funnel to send people to your merch store. So I highly recommend that. So that way you don't have to wait till you have hundreds of thousands of subscribers on your YouTube. It still allows you to make an income. So those were the ways that I used to make money on YouTube. Now you can use YouTube, and I highly recommend you do that, as a funnel to send people to your other things that you're selling, your services, your coaching program, and even books. YouTube is amazing. This is the second largest search engine in the world, and it's owned by the first largest search engine in the world. So please do not skip on YouTube. There's billions of people on there. I highly recommend you use that platform to funnel whatever you are selling. Don't forget to be very consistent and offer valuable content, because that's very important. And most importantly, be patient. It takes a while before you grow on YouTube, but if you are consistent, you stay in your lane. What I mean by that is to be really focused on what your niche is and offer content that people are really interested in learning about, you are most likely to grow. And every time you launch a new video, you never know if that video can be viral. For example, a month ago, I launched a video about how my Instagram account was hacked and how I recovered it. And in a month, I got over 10,000 views, which is huge because usually my views stays around 1,000 to 2,000, and this video is really skyrocketing, and honestly is the video that's bringing me the most income right now because people really want to learn these type of things. So please share what you know, and by using YouTube as a funnel, you can then invite people to your programs, your course, and whatever you are selling. So I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget, you don't need to be huge on YouTube to make money, but you gotta be consistent, you have to offer value, and I wish you lots of luck, make tons of money. We are living in a world of abundance, and with the digital now, there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to make money online. Please leave your questions and comments in the section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.